Welcome back, Cheeksters. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this simple vignette to go on a side table utilizing Dollar Tree items but inspired by a Z Gallery piece. This is the piece that I was inspired by, ranging $69. I'm going to make it with these Dollar Tree items. So starting with the embroidery hoop, I released the outer hoop so I could utilize the inside one for this project. Using the wheels from this wood toy, I am going to place the wheel right in the center of the hoop because that's where the actual candle holder portion will sit. I used a gel glue here for a more firm and permanent hold than a glue gun. So you want to place this wheel right in the center of your hoop. And this is just a container I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this lid as the actual portion that holds the candle. We're going to glue that to that wheel we did before, and this butter dish is what I'm going to use as a base. Using an additional wood wheel from that toy, I'm putting it on top of the dish and applying the hoop and the candle holder portion to the butter dish. From there, you're just going to spray paint it until the color becomes opaque and no wood or white is showing. It'll look like this. Now, moving on to the smaller DIYs. I made a tray utilizing a 11 by 14 picture frame. I painted the picture frame in gold because I'm going for a mixed metal look. Then taking a dry brush with a little bit of silver paint on it, I just did little faint streaks and strokes over the paint of gold, just making it more subtle for that mixed metal look. Utilizing the insert, I just traced around it using a silver poster board. You're going to cut that out and place it underneath the glass and inside of the frame. Once you've done that, you want to add handles of your choice. I got these at Home Depot and I applied it with the same gel glue. Now taking this Dollar Tree vase, I am going to utilize this bling adhesive stickers to add to the vase. This I also found at Dollar Tree. I want some of the portion of the vase to show through, so I'm just going to be adding 2 strips to give it like a line of crystals. So you cut it to the shape. I ran out here, so I had to add additional piece, and then I just applied it to the vase. I added the additional strip, and this is the finished look in the daytime. It was so easy to make the tray, and of course the sparkly vase. I added some white roses from the Dollar Tree and added a candle that was electronic, and then this is the evening look. I changed it up a bit with sparkly candles. Look at how those candles sparkle against the vase. What an easy DIY. That was well worth it. Thanks for watching. I hope you give this a try and that you were inspired.